Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I am in Las Vegas for CES, the Consumer Electronics Show. This is my first year coming. I've been to CEDIA probably the past 3 years, but I never made it out to Las Vegas for CES. This is a much bigger show. I think there's like 150,000 people that'll be here. It's going to be crazy. From what I've seen, videos online, I mean, it's just wall-to-wall people, but there's just every consumer electronic device here at the show, so it should be super fun. I flew out from Tampa. I got up this morning about 6 a.m. got on to the airport at 8:30, and my flight continued to get delayed. So sat at the airport for about 6 hours. I think I finally took off around 3:30, and then I got here a little bit, probably about an hour ago. So just got checked into the Westgate Hotel. This is wild, man. This is a beautiful hotel here. I'm on the 23rd floor. Right outside my window, you can see the Las Vegas Sphere. It's just beautiful. And so I thought what I would do this week is I just want to bring you guys along. It'll be more vlog style than my typical interview style, where I've got Brad with me or I've got somebody else that's kind of filming me interviewing somebody. So it'll be more vlog style. I didn't bring a tripod, I didn't bring a gimbal. It's literally me and a handheld camera, but I thought I'd bring you along in case you've never been to CES, and we'll figure out what this thing looks like together. Matt and Rusty are also on their way. They flew out of Orlando. Their flight got delayed as well, so they won't be here for another couple hours. So I'm gonna go downstairs, just gotta check some stuff out. Maybe the one good thing about the Westgate, the reason why we picked this, is because you literally can walk out of the hotel or through the hotel to the convention. It's attached to it, so that'll make it super convenient, so we don't have to take like an Uber to the convention center. So I'm super pumped. This is gonna be a fun week, but I want to bring you guys along. So I'm starving, so I'm gonna go down. Let's grab some dinner and let's just see what's around here. So I've turned the lights off so you can see the Sphere over there. It's huge. That thing looks pretty amazing even from here. I'd love to be able to take a trip over there to see what it looks like up front and in person. Alright, so I'm outside the hotel. This is a massive hotel. Holy cow. Check this out. This is out here where the pool is, but I don't think I'll be doing any swimming. You see right over there is the Sphere, so not too far from us. Alright, let's head on in and see if we can find some food. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think this is where I'm interested. Fresco's. It's Italian. I'm gonna hit some lasagna tonight. Alright, so I'm telling you right now, we don't have anything like this in Plant City, Florida. Holy cow. I think everything in Vegas is fancy. Alright, so check out this Japanese steakhouse here inside the hotel. Man, that looks awesome. I'm gonna have to stop by there one day. And of course, it wouldn't be Vegas without the casino here in the lobby. See a lot of Elvis in here in the hotel. I think they said he's actually got a like a whole suite upstairs that you could do a tour and check that out. This place is kind of like a mall too, so you got a gift shop here, and then all the way down here you've got quite a bit of stores. There's just some shops where you can buy some stuff. This reminds me of like the International Mall in Tampa. You got like a technology store here. Little gift shop over here. Some kind of soap sanctuary. And you got Garden of Zen. Oh, cool. Definitely got a cool vibe here. Alright, these guys are setting up. They got the robot going on. Check this out.
Hey guys, we gotta do 10576.
All kinds of automation here and robotics. Looks like they're They're getting him set up. All right, guys, we are at CES 2025. You can see behind me, this is the day before the event takes place. So they're getting ready. So I don't really have access in there because there's a lot of, setting up. And you can see they still don't have carpet down here. That might be here tomorrow if it's anything like CEDIA. But this show is massive. I was just talking with Mario, the security guy, and he said that all throughout here, we've got, this is like the central area, then all the way over there is the, I think that is the south area, and he said then there's another massive area that way. So I don't think I can absolutely cover even a fraction of this event, but I'm excited about it. It's gonna be fun. He said that Sony's over here, LG's over here, so I'd love to stop by them, see what they're up to, see what kind of new innovations that they've got in the TV space and maybe even in the projector space. This is going to be a fun week, so I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoy the videos, and we'll see you in the morning.